Hey guys, what is up? This is Sahil Vats and today I'll show you that how can you get a virtual USA number for free and make calls to USA and Canada unlimited without any charges. And if you want to call other countries than USA and Canada, then there is very minimal charges. And it doesn't require that you have to be a citizen of US to take this number. Anyone from the world can take this number, even if you are living outside the US. So first what you have to do, you have to go to this site which is textnow.com. okay, and this is also available in Play Store, Google Store. You can even download from then only there also. And if I show you from the Microsoft Store, so you can see that it is available over here also. So you can download from anywhere, iOS Store, Google Play Store, Microsoft Store. And even if you want to just operate in Chrome, so you can operate it from there, from their website itself. Okay, so let me show you the description also. So it gives you a free virtual phone number, 10-digit phone number in the US and Canada. And you can see here that you can send as many text and picture messages you want for free. There is no hidden charges. I have tried it, and I'm telling you from my experience also, there are no charges. Okay, and I'll show you also. And you can make unlimited calls to USA and Canada. So if you have any friend in USA and if you want to call through your number, or even if you want to make some prank call or something, so you can do this. And there is a disclaimer, this is only for educational purposes. Don't use for scamming people and other things. Okay, and and yes, I told you that if you want to call in other countries than USA and Canada, so there is low cost for it. You have to pay a few bucks for it, or you can just complete offer and earn some coins and make calls to other countries as well. Now here you can see, is it really free? Yes, it is really free. There is no cash over here, and no monthly fees, no yearly fees. It is completely free. It earns their revenue by the ads which they show on their app and website, and you can also remove the ad by paying subscription fees to them if you want to. And you can pick any area code of USA and Canada, whichever you want for your number. Okay, so now I'll show you that how to do it. So first what you need to do, you need to go on login. Now here you get three options. Basically you have to sign up, so you can click here on sign up free. Now you get three options: Facebook, Google, or your Apple ID. So I am showing you with Google, or you can sign up your account with any of the three options available. So after you log in with the Google ID or Facebook ID, you need to enter the area code of USA. So you can type any area code, like I am typing code 371, and it worked. And you can also Google also if you want the area code of the particular area also, like Illinois or Florida and etc. So you can check their area codes on the Google, and you can type that area code here, and you will get the number of that area code only. So now you have to complete this verification by Google. So guys, here you can see that my number has been allotted, and the number allotted is 908-224-1495. So this is my new number, and I can call from this number to any phone number in the US, basically any number in the US or Canada. Okay, and you can also write unlimited text and everything from here. So what you need to do, I'll show you also that how to make call. So here you have to write the number, and for making call you have to click on new call. And I'll show you that how to remove ad also. For this you just have to download one extension of ad blocker, ad block Chrome extension. Okay, so your ad will also be blocked. So just go on the first site, download any ad blocker, it would work, and add to Chrome. Add extension. So now you don't have to even have to pay the subscription fees for the ad free experience, so you can get that for free also. And you can use this on any website, ad blocker. Okay, so now it is installed. So now we'll check it out after refreshing it, whether it is showing me ads or not. So you can see it guys, there is no ad showing it over here. So there is the text now only, no other ads will be shown here. And now I'll show you that how to make a call. So just click on this call button, and you have to write the phone number of the person which you want to call. So you need to have some phone number. So since I don't have any contacts in USA, so I don't have a particular phone number, but if you have any family or friend, you can just write down their number, whatever their number is, 10-digit number, and you can just place a call and it will really work. So that was for USA and Canada only. You can make unlimited phone calls for free, and video calls also, and text messages also for free with this number which is shown here, to USA and Canada. But if you want to even make calls to some other country like India, so you will get the rates of these countries over here. Like if I want to make a call to United Kingdom, so you will get this 0.3, I guess this is cents per minute. Okay, so you have to recharge your balance if you want to call in other countries than USA and Canada. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you gain some knowledge and new things, so you can hit that subscribe button, and also like this video. You can share it with your friends also who want a US number and want to make calls from US or receive calls from US at free of cost. So that was all for this video. Thank you guys for watching it. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.